Hi, I'm Bryant. I did 6 years active in the Air Force and I was in security forces. So I found out about PDR after I got into a fender bender. Talked to the technician for a little bit, seemed pretty lucrative. He was his own boss, I kind of wanted to be my own, so that's what started me looking into becoming a PDR tech. So after a quick Google search, I found Ding King, requested a brochure, got in contact with Michelle, and in no time, we were in communication and she had me signed up for the online class in no time. So my current schedule didn't allow me to come out in person. Luckily, they offered an online course, 5 weeks long, and I was able to complete that before coming in person. So the good thing about the online course is it didn't take away from my in-person training time. So I received all the tools and accessories I needed to complete the online modules. The only thing I had to procure myself was an actual test hood. After going through the pandemic last year, I was really glad that the Ding King offered an online course. If you're planning on coming out, I highly recommend taking the online training course beforehand. For more information about the online course, you can reach out to Share@dingking.com or Michelle@dingking.com.